गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। और कैसे हो आप सब? आई होप एवरीवन इज डूइंग गुड. So today's vlog is gonna be like all about Sokyong University, because I think I posted some video regarding Sokyong dormitory. So I received lots of like messages for like how's the university, what are the facilities, kind of things. So I thought I should like explain in my video. So today I'm gonna do that. So first of all, for like girls, we are having like 4 sharing room, and for that you have to pay, like we are paying 180,000 Korean won. And for boys dormitory, it's also like same four seaters, but if you have like problem with your roommates or things, so you have to like you can switch, like change with 2 sharing. So that's also there. For 2 sharing, I think the price is more, around 220 or something. So but you are not gonna get it like easily, that 2 sharing room. Usually they like give us like 4 sharing. So for girls, because I know about like girls dormitories, I'm gonna explain that how, like what are the facilities are there. I know some about like about boys dormitory. So for girls, we are like 4 sharing. So there are like 4 bed, 2 washroom. The plus point is girls dormitories, like we are having 2 washroom, but in case of boys, even though if you are like 4 person per room, you are not gonna get 2 junk share. So you have to share like one bathroom with 4 people. It's quite not good actually. So what else? Yes, in our dormitory we have a common room which has like 3 washing machine, 1 dryer, 1 microwave. Yes, and for the good thing about boys dormitory is like they are having microwave, refrigerator. Usually I forgot what to call refrigerator in English. Like here we are using that Ningyangu. So I just skipped from my mind. So yes, they are having like refrigerator, washing machine, microwave inside their room. We don't have. We have to, if we want to cook, so we have to go to that common room and use that microwave. There is like in one floor there are like 2 common rooms, so there are like 2 microwave each side. And yeah, 6 what to, washing machine. I was about to say setaki. So okay, there are like 6 washing machines, 2 dryers, they have water purifier. And for room, I like already showed the video what we have. Like we have almirah. It's not almirah kind of, it's very small. Even you are not gonna, your clothes are not gonna be fit inside. It's like that small. What else? Yeah, like in my video, the room I show, it was my quarantine room, but like original room, it has like your bed is upstairs, and down you have like table, and there's like some small racks kind of thing where you can put your like books and other stuffs. What else we have inside our room? Yeah, that's it, I think. Yeah, so for us now we are paying 180,000 per month, so which is gonna like deduct from our scholarship monthly. So I don't know if they change price for like new students, because I got messages like from someone who was asking like, oh, how much we have to pay, can we cook inside? So yes, no, you can't cook inside your room, because we have that smoke detector. So, and if you wanna cook, so you have to use that microwave. You can't cook inside. And yes, someone asked me about that food also. They have Shikta cafeteria. they have cafeteria, but it's only for lunch because in our college actually we have two cafeterias. So they usually provide lunch only, I guess. Yes, because I don't like much Korean food, so I'm making my food myself. So for one meal you have to pay around 5,000 Korean won for one meal, and one cafeteria it's like 5,000, and it's like unlimited. If you want to take more you can take it. So but yeah, there is no like breakfast or dinner menus there, because I think most of the teachers they are using that sick bank, so they are just providing lunch only. And the other one it's had limited. Okay, if you are going to pay for this menu you are gonna have that only, you can't have like something else. But for other restaurant, not restaurant, cafeteria, I don't know, my English and my Korean is getting mixed, like 식당, setaki, 냉장고. So yeah, for other you can have more, so you have like two options, but I prefer to cook myself because I'm Indian, I can't eat Korean food. So I will suggest you guys, if you don't like Korean food or if you like only Indian food, so before coming here it's better if you can bring some spices and necessary things, because here maybe you can get it but it's so expensive and you are not gonna get that brand, that Indian brand, you can't get it. There is like some shops who are selling this kind of spices, but it's I think from like that shopkeeper is from Pakistan, so they are selling that brand, so we don't have that Indian brands. So before coming make sure you bring some spices and things. What else someone asked about, I forgot actually. That girl was asking lots of questions. So I don't know if you are like gonna be quarantined here, because like we are living in 4th floor, so last like when we came we were like quarantined here, so it was like on 3rd floor. So I don't know if you are going to get like quarantine here, because by that time when you guys are coming we will be gone to our university. So yes, for like there is one drying area also in like hostel, so you can like buy hangers and things and dry your clothes. And yes, you have to do cleaning your room like by yourself. So like for girls we have like 2 bathrooms, so it's good actually. So 2 persons like can share, so you can like use. For boys it's quite difficult, like 1 washroom and 4 people. Not for me. What else we have? I think I told you guys everything. So yes, that's it. If anything else I will maybe make next video if I forgot something. And if you want to ask anything else, just drop a comment, so maybe I will reply there. Or if like it's like lots of questions, so I will make new video for that. So till then, take care, bye bye. And yes, don't forget to bring your necessary things before coming here. So I hope it will be helpful for you guys. So okay, bye, love you guys. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe.